In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the completion status for your team on specific training courses. So first, let's go up to the My Team option. Now I'm going to go under Insight and click on What is Learning Completion Status of my team. First, I'm going to adjust the due date filter, so I'm going to clear that out. Now I'm going to click on the calendar and I'm going to adjust this. It will only go back 1 year. So let's go ahead and change that to a year ago. And then I'll click Apply. Now this is going to pull up a list of courses that your team has either recently completed or is overdue in the past year. Now if you're looking for more specific, we can go back up here under the course name. I'm going to type in UDOT construction site and then apply again. And then this will only show the UDOT construction site stormwater runoff course. So if I want to look at, see who is overdue, I'm going to just go ahead and click on overdue. And this will display the employee's name on who is overdue and the due date. Let's say I want to send them an email reminder. I can go ahead and click on the 3 buttons under Actions and click on Send Email. Here I can put in a subject and a message for them.